the Sealey 200 amp inverter welder with LCD screen. The INVMIG200LCD uses state-of-the-art technology, making it a true 3-in-1 welder capable of creating MIG, TIG or arc welds. And thanks to its pressed steel outer casing, it's easily portable too, weighing only 20 kilograms. And its fully functional LCD front panel provides the user with an easy-to-follow assisted setup. First, select the type of welding and the screen displays the recommended gas mixture and polarity required. Then input the electrode or wire thickness together with the material thickness and you're ready to weld. Up to 4 setups can be saved on the machine for fast loading. Its inverter technology offers many advantages over traditional transformer type welders, providing greater duty cycles and more power factor efficiency. It's suitable for arc welding a variety of rods, including rutile, basic and stainless, from 1.6 to 4 mm. It also features a fan-cooled DC power supply for MIG and TIG, suitable for welding steel, stainless steel, copper, nickel, titanium and their alloys, adjustable wire feed control. A thermal overload warning tells you to switch off when it exceeds the maximum temperature. The welder is supplied in a standard MIG setup and can be switched to TIG or arc welding modes by just swapping torches. Polarity change terminals enable it to MIG weld with or without gas, making it ideal for welding outdoors. And it includes a 3-meter MIG torch and earth cable, gas hose, regulator and a variety of contact tips. The Sealey 200 amp inverter welder with LCD screen. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.